Good morning from day 5. Today is our last trekking day. We're excited, exhausted, tired. The trek today starts with a river crossing. The water is so cold. Brushing was a hassle, or even washing the face was a hassle. Washing our hands is a hassle. The fingers are already numb, and we have to cross the river. The water is fortunately only till knees level, so that is good. But it's going to be fun. We're hoping for that. I think I'm a little tired of the packing, unpacking every single day, and the washrooms and the cold. I think I'm most tired of the cold because I can't function. Okay, highlight of yesterday. We went for a quick trail. It was nice. After coming back here, it was nice. We spoke about random things in life, connected with people.
Between the rocks.
And then in the night, we decided let's go to sleep. So our washrooms are like, we have to trek to the washrooms. Can you see? Yeah. So we had to trek. So now three girls, three of us, we trekked there, like a mini hike or whatever. We hiked there. And then while I was waiting, the sky cleared up and we could see the entire sky full of stars. And it's been cloudy ever since, right? It's been raining the entire time. And then see, today you can even see all these peaks. So we saw the sky full of stars, and then we did astrophotography, and then we clicked pictures, and we spotted a lot of shooting stars and constellations. It was nice. I think this trip gave us everything: rain, sun, wind, walking on the snow, rainbow, clear skies, sky full of stars, a moon, everything. It's been good. Let's see how today goes. We're going to, it's going to be an easy day according to our trek leaders, but let's see. Last trekking day. We're doing it. We did it. Hmm. I don't know how to feel honestly. I'll check in with you in a while.
No? बराबर है, अभी निकालो, हमें छोड़ दो।
अब मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ ना. Hello, welcome to day 4. No, 5. Day 5. I know, बहुत confusion हो रहा है. यहाँ पता नहीं time क्या हो रहा है, ये date क्या चल रही है, पता ही नहीं है. The time is slow sometimes, but then sometimes it's like passing by really quickly. बीच में portion था जहाँ चला ही नहीं जा रहा था आज. But then we were waiting at one place, like it was a quick break, and we all were just very sad that this trip is ending and we'll be back in network. I thought I would miss the internet so much, but I don't want to get back to the internet. I don't want to come back. This feels nice. It feels peaceful. हाँ ठीक है, बीच बीच में कुछ चीज़ें होती है, like we were discussing something and we wanted to Google it and we couldn't, or like I couldn't wish my sister on her birthday. But then I think that's life. We have to get back to our old routines. Okay, coming back to today. It was great, nice. Not so much, very easy path. Just one portion which we had to detour because the glaciers have been melting. So we had to like climb through boulders and come. We encountered Himachal traffic, sheeps and horses. Overall, it was very nice. We also did a holding your head in the stream kind of thing. I could hold it for 10 seconds, but the water was so cold.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, we are right now at the Chatru campsite. We're right now in Spiti and we've had our lunch. And I thought that I'll make this video outside because it's such a pretty campsite. But it's raining outside and we are here stuck in our tents. Apparently, this area is low rainfall area, but we have been getting rains everywhere, so I think that's the fate. But we did not get rains the entire journey today. We walked like 7.8 kilometers something. Oh, starting mein we did a river crossing. That was, I would say, thrilling. We couldn't feel our legs for 2 minutes after that.
She grew up with love everyone would expect. Had an army behind her.
But then it was fun. I think we all in the end made it. We've completed the trek and this is our last day today, staying in camps and everything. Tomorrow is just going to be a drive to Chandrutal and then disperse. So everybody's just sad that we won't be seeing each other. This has become like a family of 20. I think everybody has their own quirks and personalities and lives, and all of them have now intertwined here. And then despite everything, right, it's like we've gone through a lot to be here. It was not easy to finally make it to this campsite.
Right.
Even though we could see the campsite, it took
Right.
us almost an hour and a half to reach
Yes,
here.
yes. We
Not
took the
as-
longest route to the campsite. That is
I
correct.
know, not as close as we thought it is.
Right.
And then that also took so much.
Outside of a trek, kind of, mimics. Oh,
Part of the trekking experience.
hey, you know what's funny? Mommy, we can very slowly see you inch around across the trail.
मनोज संजय एल हाँ हाँ जी और मनोज अंबिका यस और संजय एल भी लिखा गुड इवनिंग टीम गुड इवनिंग कैसे हो सब लोग
I think we all had to be here, and everything is meant to be. And I can't believe I've done an entire trek. Me, despite the injury, despite the admit in the hospital, despite the mental blockage, everything. Today was easy for me. I walked a lot, like in ahead, but I'm sad that this is ending. I think I'm just sad. I'm excited to go back, have a nice bath, have the luxury of your own bed, your cupboard, your a place to keep your stuff, and a little less cold. But then I'm just sad that we'll all be dispersing and not seeing each other for I don't know how long. But yeah. Okay.